Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm going to be removing the Whitestone Dome Silk Ultra Thin Glass Screen Protector from my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Yes, this is for that inside display. Now, I originally do have an installation video, so if you are interested in the screen protector and you want to know how to install it on this inside display right here, I'll make sure to have that video linked down in the description below. But this video, we are going to be actually removing it from this inside display. Now, to be honest with you guys, this is going to be my very first time removing it from this inside display here. So I'm not really sure exactly how it's going to turn out. To be honest, I am going to be following Whitestone Dome's exact instructions on how to remove this. Now, the one I have here is actually in perfect condition. I really don't even need to remove it if I really don't want to. It's actually held up very, very well since I've made that installation video. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways for the videos for you guys, in case you do need to remove this, if you do already have it on your inside display on your Galaxy Z Fold 3 and maybe something has happened to it, you need to remove it. Well, hopefully this video will be able to help you out. And another reason I'm kind of doing this is because I actually want to see how easy or how difficult the removal process is, and if it's going to be safe or not for that inside display. Now, the screen protector actually comes with a removal pack that you see right here. This does come in the box with the screen protector. So if you do happen to buy it for yourself, do not throw this away. You are going to need it for when the day comes that you need to remove this screen protector. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the plastic here, and this is what it's going to look like. In the back, we do get this other little blue piece, which we are going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and set that right up there to the right. And it actually looks pretty simple when it comes to the instructions. So what we're going to do is go ahead and peel off this blue part right here. There we go. So we got this little blue flap right here, nice and free. And you kind of want to peel away a little bit of the yellow part, just like that. And what we're going to do is go ahead and just try and line it up with the screen protector. So this should fit around the screen protector perfectly. So let me go ahead and try to do this. There we go. There we go. So that looks pretty good. So you want to get about that much on right there, and then you can just pull the rest. Boom, just like that. Look at that. Actually, I think I actually got that pretty perfect. Looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and just smooth it out here. You want to make sure it's sticking to that inside screen protector. There we go. All right, so it is looking good. So at this point, what we're gonna do next is take this little piece right here to my right, got it in hand. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the device sideways like this. And then we're gonna use this to make a small gap between that ultra thin glass screen protector and the actual display of the device. So we're gonna go ahead and just slowly just kind of slide it under the display, just like that. You kind of wanna make a good sized gap. Stick it in there right about there. Not sure if you can see that right there on camera. Go ahead and get a close up. So I'm gonna stick it in about that far. And then at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of lift up in the back and put my thumb on top and just kind of clamp them together and slowly pull away from the device itself. And you kind of wanna make sure you hold the device in place so it's not moving around too crazy. There we go, just slowly pulling it away from the phone. And then at this point, I can just keep on pulling it. It's looking good, looking good. Let's keep it going. Almost there, about halfway there. Now it doesn't look like it's damaging that display, so that's good news right there. We keep it going. And what this blue piece on the outside is for is to make sure you don't get any glass shards kind of just, busting out basically when you're pulling this back, and that way you don't harm your fingers either if any glass does happen to break off. Let me go ahead and move it this way. Oops, all right, let me go ahead and make my way down. Oh, okay, I kind of messed up there a little bit. So as you can see, it didn't go as smooth. So what I'm gonna do now is just take this piece, put it on top right here. That way I can just keep pulling back on this screen protector. There we go. Let's go ahead and get the next piece right here. Almost there, almost there. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this, put it right back under, just like that. Let's go ahead and get it. Come on, work with me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous here. It's not going as smooth as I had thought it was, but we're almost there. There we go. Let's go ahead and keep it going. Let's keep it going. Almost there. This wasn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be, I'm not gonna lie. But we are almost there, just getting this last small piece. And there it is. So it didn't go exactly as smooth as I thought it was going to go, but it looks like it came off pretty good. We do have a little bit of dust here from that ultra thin glass screen protector. So you don't wanna wipe that down with a towel or anything like that. In their instructions, it does say if you can get some Scotch tape like this, or if you do have any dust remover stickers, so you can just get this and go over the display so it sticks it to the tape. That way you don't damage this display. You don't want to, wipe it on there and happen to get any scratches or anything like that. So I'm just going to go over the display. There we are. Let's get one more piece here. Forgive me if I'm not talking too much. I'm trying to concentrate a little bit here. And there we go. It is looking good. All right. Look at that. So not sure if you can see there on camera. The display is looking good. Let's go ahead and power on the phone. And let's see if it is still responsive or if it still responds the same. I'm gonna go ahead and go over it one more time with the tape because I wanna be as safe as possible. This is an expensive phone. Wanna make sure you're taking care of it. Really good care of it. And after this removal process, after experiencing it all right now, I could still definitely recommend it. Honestly, yeah, it didn't come off the easiest, but it did a very good job at protecting this inside display, and it held up well. It held up very, very well. I had no problems with it. Let's go ahead and unlock the phone. Look at that, seems to be working good. I don't see any damage done. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Gotta wait for it to load up a little bit. Let it load up. Still loading the weather right there. All right, and we should be good. All right, let's see. Look at that, still responding good, nice and smooth. Look at that. So there we go. Yeah, we kind of have a little bit of a mess right here, but you know what? It did go pretty smooth for my very first time. Like I said, it was my very first time removing this screen protector from this inside display. I am receiving another one, so I can go ahead and reapply another one because, I got to keep this inside display protected. So when it comes to recommending a really, really good screen protector that is actually an ultra thin glass for this inside display, I can definitely recommend this one. Like I said, even though, the removal process wasn't as smooth as I thought it was gonna be, it still came out great. We have no problems here, at least from what I can see. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you do find yourself interested in this screen protector, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below, as well as my installation video for this screen protector as well. But I really hope this video was able to help you out. If it was, and if you did like it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.